Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's topic is negative. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. Negative. To form a negative sentence in French, one must use two words, ne and pas. These two words are very important to form a negative sentence. Ne is placed before the verb and pas after the verb. Okay? Ne is placed before the verb and pas after the verb to form a negative sentence. Then, example, je ne parle pas anglais. I do not speak English. Anglais is English. Parle means to speak. Je ne parle pas anglais. Secondly, il n'est pas médecin. Médecin is doctor. Il n'est pas médecin means he is not doctor. Okay, so it is like a. Être verb has its first letter a vowel, e. So ne will become an apostrophe. Okay, ne becomes an apostrophe before the vowels, or silent h is also a vowel, so it will become an apostrophe when it will become. So it is il n'est pas médecin. Okay, now we come up to your negative construction. Your negative construction is ne plus verb plus pas. It's the general form as when we form a negative sentence. It's a general form. We will put ne plus verb plus pas, or an apostrophe plus verb plus pas. Okay, when first letter is a vowel or silent h, an apostrophe. It's a basic general rule to make a negative sentence in French. Now we come up to the examples. First example is nous ne sommes pas stupides. We are not stupid. Okay, ne and pas is making the sentence negative. Nous ne sommes pas stupides. Second, je ne suis pas chinois. I am not Chinese. Okay. Third, elle n'aime pas le chocolat. She doesn't like chocolate. Aim is your verb, and before the verb there is ne, and a is your vowel, so it will become an apostrophe. Okay, so it is elle n'aime pas le chocolat. And your last example is il n'est pas journaliste. He is not journalist. Il n'est pas journaliste. Then we come up to the negative sentence. In negative sentences, the indefinite articles are those article indéfini or yunde. It will become the and d apostrophe before vowels and silent h. Okay, when will, like in a phrase, if there is an indefinite article, it will become the, or d apostrophe when there will be a vowel. Example, elle a un stylo. It will become elle n'a pas de stylo because it has an article indéfini a, and a will become the, so it will become elle n'a pas de stylo. Second, elle a des stylos. It will become elle n'a pas de stylo. They will become the, because it is also an article indéfini. Third example is elle a une règle. It will become elle n'a pas de règle. Une will become the, when there is a negative sentence. Okay, now the note part. This rule does not apply with the verb être. This indefinite article rule will not be applied when there will be verb être. Example, c'est un stylo. Ce n'est pas un stylo. So, un will remain unchanged. It will not become the because there is être verb here. Second example, ce sont des étudiants. It will become ce ne sont pas des étudiants. It will remain unchanged, indefinite article in the negative sentence because it is être verb. Now, the definite articles le, la, le stand unchanged after all negative forms. Okay, if there is a definite article in a sentence, it will remain unchanged. It will not be changed into the or the apostrophe. Example, elle a le stylo. It will become elle n'y a pas le stylo. Secondly, elle a les stylos. It will become elle n'y a pas les stylos. It will remain unchanged. It will not be changed. Now, end part is your exercise. Firstly, vous avez des bonbons. It will become vous n'avez pas de bonbons. Second, j'achète un crayon. It will become, what will become? Je n'achète pas de crayon. Okay, because it has indefinite article. Ils ont des cahiers. Ils n'ont pas de cahiers in the negative sentence. Okay, and people, if you like my video, then please hit the like button, share it, and please subscribe to my channel, which is Quick French Learning with Shweta. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.